Green Space Dark Skies journeys into the landscape. Giant's Causeway, Causeway Coast AONB, Saturday the 2nd of July 2022. Although miles apart across the sea, the Giant's Causeway and Fingal's Cave share the same geological rock formations. These stunning natural wonders were formed around 60 million years ago. In the film, we are gathering together to celebrate these geological wonders and all that connects them: the landscape, the people, and the music. A caption: Fingal's Cave, Scotland. A brunette woman sits on rocks in a cave and plays traditional Ilian bagpipes. Crashing waves against large, algae-covered rocks. A man sits on rocks outside. He also plays traditional bagpipes. The brunette woman now sits on a boat, cruising along the seawater. A caption: Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. A man stands beside a cliff overlooking the sea, playing a traditional flute. Red and green lights are placed on rocks. A group of children beat bowron drums as they walk along a quiet country road. A young man sits outside on some rocks, playing an acoustic guitar. Green and red lights are placed on rock formations beside the crashing waves of the sea. A man stands at the peak of a small mountain and plays the fiddle. The brunette woman and a man sit on rocks beside the sea, playing bagpipes. The musicians are gathered together on the rocks. A green-covered mountain hangs in the background behind them. People walk along the country road beside the coast, holding red and green lights which glow in the evening light. People sway their lights from side to side, and more fiddle and flute players join in. A row of bagpipe players walk in a line across the coastal rocks, illuminated by green lights as they play. Crowds of people dance on the rocks, illuminated by red lights. Green lights are placed to show the rock formations. The musicians continue playing on a rocky slope, lit by green and red lights. An overhead view of the Giant's Causeway rocks by the sea. A trail of green lights showing their shape, with a trail of red lights below a grass-covered mountain. Two harpists sit and pluck strings. Two musicians play as they sit on a rock peak, overlooking the green and red lights beside the crashing waves of the sea. Caption: Thank you to the many Luminators who took part in the making of this film. Participating groups: Belfast Trad, Trad Arts Partnership, Music Services for Pipes and Drums, North Coast Trad. Creative team: Composer and Musical Director Donal O'Connor, Lighting Designer Nick Smith, Kaylee Caller, Ronan Eastwood. Production: Event Producers Patricia Murray and Kathy Hayes. Production Manager Jason Beck. Participation Manager Anne Donnelly. Technical: Siemens, Core Lighting, Bloom & Associates, Noba, Production Audio Solutions, DBN Audiole. Film Production: Producer CC Lab. Film Director Ross McLean. Drone footage Pivotal Film. Green Space Dark Skies extends thanks to the many organisations, individuals and volunteers who work to make this project a success.